So this is the full review of the new launched Clickvio22. So let's know, what is this Clickvio22? Clickvio is the new way of doing email marketing, without switching out your current autoresponder. Clickvio presents the modern-day email builder, the kind that gives higher inboxing, which brings higher opens, more clicks, and more sales. Fully tested, fully vetted, and it has already been used in 50,000 plus live email marketing campaigns. So who is the creator of this product? So the creator's name is Napier. He is the top 1% seller. 133,000 plus a number of sales he has got past 2 years. And he has produced 25 plus problem-solving products. And his all customers are satisfied and get profits. Now let's talk about product details. What are you going to get in this product? So here is. Create professional emails that land in your inbox every time you send. Add stunning elements to your emails, giving them the wow factor and a super professional edge. Insert retargeting pixel and make more money from your campaigns. Add an Instagram post in your emails to grow your social following and engage your subscribers at the same time. Add a YouTube video link, a highly engaging and entertaining way to connect with your subscribers. Insert an image to strengthen your message and include information that can't be communicated through text. Add a countdown timer to trigger the sense of urgency. Add a call to action button to offer discounts, ask your subscribers to join you on a webinar, or redirect them to your sales page. Insert social links to let users go to your social media pages and discover more about your products, read reviews about you, and find out about the audience that your product serves. Insert location with a location sharing feature. So let's talk about the starting subscription cost of this software. So the minimum cost is $27. In this pack you will get a lot of problem-solving features, like 10 done-for-you templates, 100 done-for-you emails, 1,000 campaigns, preview text, add location, insert image, insert countdown, insert divider, insert spacer, add social links, and click via Chimerical is $29. Here you will get 10 done-for-you templates, 100 done-for-you emails, 1,000 campaigns, preview text, add location, insert image, insert countdown, insert divider, insert spacer, add social links, add retargeting pixel, insert Instagram post, add button, add YouTube video links. So, from my opinion, it is worth it. Cause nobody gives you that many features at this price. And not even this, you will get too many bonuses. So if you are interested to get this product, so I have pasted the offer link in the description. Now I share with you a short demo of this amazing Clickvio software.
Hello there, welcome to this live demo of Clickvio. In this demo I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the power of Clickvio to create beautiful looking emails that inbox better, because they are lightweight and also because they are built with mobile first in mind. So the very first step to doing that would be creating either an email from scratch, or you can use one of the different templates that we have available over here. So if I go with something like this one, all I have to do is pick that, and you can see all the content, all the designs have been pre-done for you. Of course, you're welcome to edit and move things in as you please. So you can drop text here, you can drop countdown timers as well, and you can do a lot of other cool things as well. Editing this is easy. Simply click here, go to settings, and you can customize settings for this text. You can even drop in buttons and social media icons to get more traction for your social media accounts. And with buttons, of course, you can get call to actions as well, which you can point to your offers or anywhere else for that matter. Once you're happy with it, you can click on preview, and you can see what these emails will look like inside of mobile or tablet or desktop. So if I go to preview, you'll see this is exactly what the email will look like. It's completely responsive, like I said, built for mobile first. And because you're getting access to Mailvio for 2 months as well, you can simply click here and push this email directly to Mailvio. It just takes one click, and within 10 seconds this email gets published into your Mailvio account. And if you are using any other autoresponders such as Aweber or GetResponse, you can simply click on download the HTML output, and then open it up in Notepad and copy and paste it across in your autoresponder. We cover a lot of training around this as well. If at any point you get stuck, you can go to knowledge base and you can refer to multiple tutorials that are available, and you can also reach out to us via support. Using this is really simple. You don't have to worry about complicated technology. Everything has been done for you in the simplest possible way, making it easy for you to create your emails as you want, to make sure that you can customize fonts or change anything that you want to based on exactly what is required from your emails. And one of the coolest features that I want to show you is the ability to add retargeting pixels as well. So if I just go here, you can put in a retargeting pixel ID with which you can retarget anyone who open up your email. And again, as you can see here, I can move this around to change the image and how it looks. So go ahead, get Clickvio, start using it, and I hope you get some amazing results.